and welcome to this video about our mini modules. There are 3 modules in the range, each designed to be compact and easy to fit inside auxiliary equipment, and each providing a specific function. We have the CHQPOM, a powered output module, the CHQSIM, a single input module, and the CHQSong, which is a single output module. All 3 units are approved by LPCB and VDS to EN54 Part 18 and are fully compatible with the ESP protocol. First off, let's take a closer look at the CHQPOM. This device is designed to allow ancillary third-party equipment to be powered from the loop. It does this by providing a nominal 24 volt DC output with selectable current level from 2 mA to 32 mA in 2 mA increments, which can be inverted. This output current is selectable via the control panel. Please check with your panel manufacturer for compatibility, and please also check your third-party equipment surge current doesn't exceed 32 mA. The unit also features 2 monitored inputs. You could use this device to power a conventional sounder for use on the Hochiki ESP loop. The unit has loop-in and loop-out terminals. The power from the loop is converted to the output required to run the sounder, in this case 10 mA. In this scenario, the POM should be housed within the same enclosure as the sounder. It could also be used to power a relay to control a set of fire doors, for example, where a normally closed relay could open in a fire condition, in effect switching off the magnets holding the fire doors open. In this instance, the unit is providing a BS7274 compliant fail-safe function. The POM can also be used to power a conventional flame detector such as our IFDE. In this scenario, it's also capable of monitoring the detector's relays via the input, allowing a fault and fire status to be visible at the control panel. Next, the CHQSIM. This module has been designed to allow a single input to interact with the Hochiki ESP loop. The input can come from any third-party equipment that features a relay or a switch and is monitored at the panel via the CHQSIM. This device could be used to monitor a damper. If the damper changes state, a relay might be activated, which is monitored by the CHQSIM. A warning would then be displayed at the control panel. Another example where the SIM might be used is for monitoring a sprinkler pressure switch. If the sprinkler system is activated, the pressure switch also activates. And being monitored via the SIM, the control panel is made aware of this activation. With cause and effects programming, the sounders could then be set to activate. And finally, the CHQSong, which has been designed to allow a single relay output to interact with the ESP loop. It does this via a volt-free relay contact, which can be configured as either normally open or normally closed. The relay contact is rated to a maximum of 30 volts DC at a 1 amp resistive load. It can be used to shut down third-party equipment during a fire event. The control panel informs the CHQSong of the fire event, which in turn activates the relay in the unit, which can switch power off to factory machinery, for example. The units can also be used with emergency stop buttons. If a button is activated, this can again activate the relay in the SOM, causing equipment such as an escalator to stop moving, for example. All 3 mini modules are addressed using the TCH-B100 handheld programmer with a PL-3 lead. Full details on this can be found in the TCH-B100 instructions. Thank you for watching this video on Hochiki's mini modules. We hope it's been useful. For further product information, please visit our website at the address on the screen, where you can download product specifications and instructions for all of the products featured. Don't forget, you can also follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn. And if you're an existing customer, why not request to join our LinkedIn customer group? To subscribe to the Hochiki YouTube channel and to be alerted when new content is available, please click the video now. See you next time.